Hello friends, I'm Kinyonga. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My channel is all about cooking and fun games with kids. When it comes to cook, I do prepare traditional food without spices and use them when necessary. Today, I want to show you how to prepare French beans, which is meshiri. And please, if you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and God will bless you. Let's get into the kitchen so that we can cook together. Our ingredients today are, we have beef meat, we have onions, not onions, we have tomatoes, we have onions, we have potatoes, and we have French fries, French beans, we have salt, and also cooking oil. Let's begin cooking, and we are going to start by lighting our gas on. We add cooking oil. We have Here we have onions. We are going to add them. After adding our onions, we are going to cover our pot for 3 minutes to wait for onions to cook. Our onion is well cooked. Now we are going to add tomatoes and reduce our heat. I have to reduce heat. And I have nor cube here with me. I'm also going to use it. And not all of it. I'm only going to cut half of it. I add our meat. I stir a little bit. And then I add salt. And then we cover our meat to cook. This is how our meat looks like. And we are going to add French beans, meshiri. And don't forget, I'm preparing stew to eat with chapati. I'm going to stir a little bit. And then I cover my pot again to wait for my French beans to cook. This is how my French beans looks like. And please subscribe to my channel and tell a friend to tell a friend more about my channel, so that you can support me by subscribing, sharing, and you are also allowed to comment. Feel free to be part of my YouTube family. We are now going to add potatoes. And stir again. And cover my pot again for 5 minutes to wait for potato to cook. I'm also going to add water. And remember, it's a stew and requires soup. I'm also going to add again. And cover again. We wait for almost 10 minutes for our stew to be ready. Our food is ready. And please, if you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, and I will be happy for you. Because we have cooked together, let's also serve together. And I told you earlier that I have chapo. I'm serving my stew with chapo. And this is how our food looks like. Please try this recipe. It's a very good one, and it is a simple one without spices, only nor cube. And please consider subscribing to my channel. Let's meet to the next video. Bye bye.